Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be live today, Sunday, April the 26th, 2020. Kind of all the days just melt together, don't they, when you're in self-isolation? And speaking of self-isolation, that's going to be today's topic. We're going to talk on a fairly serious note today about how to handle the possibility of depression while we are all being semi-quarantined. How to cope with that. I've done a little research into this, looked up a few articles, and there's some interesting things that I found that I thought I might share with you, and we can weigh in on whether or not we think this is reliable information or it's quackery. There's a word for you, quackery. So join us today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't look at my hair, it's horrible. And we'll have a little discussion about isolation and how to avoid depression, along with our usual topics as well. Hope you can join us then. See you later. Bye-bye.